Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casio Royale, so the Casio AE-1200W. I have a full guide on all the functions and features, which I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out in case you want to learn all you need to know about your Casio Royale. So the first thing that we need to do in order to set the time is to press and hold the adjust button. You are going to hear a small click, and the first thing that you can see is the seconds flashing. So they are going to be flickering. If you press the button on the right, you are going to be able to reset them to 0. If they are above 30, so between 30 and 59, a minute is also going to be added. If you reset them between 1 and 29, no minute is going to be added. Now, in order to toggle between the different options, we are going to use the mode button. So if I press it once, you can see that I can set the DST on and off. If I press it again, I can set the home city. If I press it one more time, we are going to arrive at the hour. I can use the top pusher in order to go backwards, so to set the hours. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. You can now see that we have PM. But if I press the other button, I'm going to go in the opposite direction. So I can make it 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning, or I can make it 6 in the afternoon, so to have it PM. So let's make it 6 PM. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here we can adjust the minutes. Once again, the same thing is going to apply. You can use either of the two buttons in order to go forward and backwards, and you can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. This is very useful, and you are going to set everything faster. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I can choose between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display. So if I press the button on the right, we are going to switch to 24-hour display, and as you can see, instead of 6 PM, I'm going to see 18. So now we have military time. So this is a very useful feature that you can apply to your Casio Royale. I prefer this 24-hour display. If you want to continue and you want to set the date as well, you can keep on pressing the mode button in order to toggle through all of them, so to set the year, month and date, and then we are going to arrive once again at the beginning. In order to finalize the process, we are going to press the adjust button once again, and as you can see, we have 18:31, so 18 PM, and instead of seeing 6 PM, we actually have the 24-hour display. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. I hope you found it useful and you now know how to set the time on your Casio Royale watch. Once again, I'm going to have a full guide on all the functions and features of this particular model, link in the description box below. If you're into watches, guys, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you found value, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.